Imagine this. What would it be like if you could earn money online simply by reading? Now, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 to $1,000 just by reading words online in this video. You might be wondering why you should watch this video. First of all, the tactics today is 100% free and is working worldwide. Secondly, you'll learn everything you need to begin getting started. All the process, all the information, the step-by-step strategy, so that you can begin earning after watching this video, and you'll see exactly how much you can make and how easy it is, and you're gonna regret it if you close this video and miss out on this opportunity. But before all that, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, before I show you all the step-by-step strategies, I want you to take a look at this. I want you to see with your own eyes just how much money you can make. I'm excited because this opportunity is going to give you so much money just by reading, and I'll show you exactly how it works. You don't need any experience, any technical excuse, or any qualifications to do this at all. Now, look at this, $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes, and we just calculate on the upper end. We need an hour and 45 minutes, and we're gonna make $1,000 consistently on the minimum end. So let's go on to the online calculator and see $1,000 divided by 45 minutes. You're able to make $22 per minute. Do it for an hour and you can get 1,000. Now I want you to imagine real quick, working for 1 hour and making $1,000. How could that change your life right now? And now you can use that money. That's a lot of money. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. But you just have to watch this video until the very end because I'll show you a few strategies on how to sign up, how to get approved, and how to make more money, even if you spent the least amount of time. This is very important, and I want you to pay 100% attention because a lot of people do it wrongly. And at the end of the day, they're not making any money, and I don't want that to happen to you. So first of all, I want you to go to voices.com. Once you are on this website, you will see that they've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, and Los Angeles Times. So many big brands and companies that are definitely legit are paying out to people every single day, and you're going to receive all the payments in PayPal, a check, or straight into your bank account. So basically on these websites, they're going to give you a lot of different projects from different categories. And I'll show you which categories you should pick that will give you the most money. And you can also select from the entire list of different projects. I'll show you what it looks like. So once you select your favorite project, they're going to give you the script, the templates, the book, all the words that you're going to read word by word, and you have to record your voice, and they'll pay money depending on how long the project is. You can do it for 20 minutes, or you can do it for an hour, whatever it is. There are unlimited jobs on these platforms because there are a lot of websites out there that you can do some jobs on, but they are not consistent. Maybe today you're not making any money at all because the other job is so limited, but on voices.com, there are so many categories. There are so many jobs that you can pick up even if you have like 10 minutes a day, or even if you don't have a lot of time. Maybe you only have 15 minutes or 30 minutes. You can still pick up certain jobs you can do, and you can instantly earn all this money by reading. And the second question that I receive is that, what if I don't have a microphone? Well, all you need is a basic earphone, and you can use your iPhone or use your Android phone. You can record using your voice by speaking to your phone, and you don't have to show your face. You don't have to show your identity. You're just going to use your voice on ebooks, audiobooks, on the TV, or their videos. And they want to hire people like you and me to just speak out loud and read all of these words and scripts. We don't even have to write anything. We just have to read out all of the books and scripts that they provide us. So that's all you need. Before we get into the next video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Now let's go back to the website. I'll show you how you could sign up and also how you could get approved, get verified, and also how we can find the best projects that's going to give you the most amount of money and how we can actually apply for different jobs and getting paid right after watching this video. So the step number 1. I want you to move your mouse and go on and click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Once you click on this one to pop up a new page, you're gonna see 2 options right here: hire for a project and work as a freelancer. In this case, we're gonna find work as a freelancer. To read out those words, we'll select the second option and we have to put our name, our email or phone numbers, and also a username. You can put whatever you want. Just click on this agree to the terms and conditions and click on continue button, or you can just use your Google account. Your Gmail account is all you need. After you sign up for a free account, you're going to see many different jobs on your dashboard once you're logged in. For example, audio ads, e-learning, cartoon, explainer videos, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are so many different categories. So right now, I'm going to show you which are the categories that have the most amount of jobs, very suitable for any beginners, and it's working in different countries from the US, Nigeria, India, and the Philippines. They are working from all over the world. Now, the number 1 category that you should pick on is audiobooks. Audiobooks give you so much money, and the second one, which is an explainer video, they're gonna pay you the second most amount of money, and also last but not the least, the third recommended category is video games. So I want to just focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and also video games, because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs, and at the same time pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of time spent. So for example, we're going to select audiobooks. Click on this one to pop up a new page here, and here are some of the examples of people working online. Working from all around the world that's making money at VoicesThis.com. There are even males or females that are people from different countries. So I know that I have a lot of viewers from the US, from India, from the Philippines, from Nigeria, from Pakistan. So right now, you can see the language section. You can see here that they accept people who want to read online from maybe the North America. For something British, maybe you're speaking Filipino. Okay, you can speak in Filipino. They still want to hire you, so no matter where you are. They even offer jobs in Africa, English Africa, South Africa. There's so many job opportunities you can begin reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts, reading those words, and getting paid depending on the hours that you're working in. So, if you want to make more money, you're going to select a job that maybe has 45 minutes at least, so that you're going to get paid $1,000 every time you do one project. Okay, so I'm going to show you some job opportunities that are available once you log in. This is on the back office. As you can see here, there are so many jobs that you can participate in. Let me scroll down. Alright, so for example, today, there are over 50 jobs that you can pick up, and every single day, they'll keep on refreshing this page so you can keep logging in and see which one you prefer. As I told you, the most recommended category for voices.com is on audiobooks. So let me show you the quick examples using audiobooks and see how much they're paying us. So you can see right here, $2,000. Compared to other jobs, 100, 200, usually projects around audiobooks, when you read those books, they're going to give you all the scripts, all the templates, and you just have to read them up and record using your phone. And you're going to get paid $1,000 by doing that. And also, the second most famous category is around video games. So this is an example of the script around video games that they're going to give you. So once you select a project around video games, this is the sample script they're going to give you. You'll have to read that, and they're going to show you who the client will be, what is the age, gender, whether they be male or female, and some of the job description which will describe what you will be doing. For example, you can see here, young hero. So these are some of the examples of the script that they're going to give you for free. And you just have to read them out, and you're gonna get paid by doing that. So if you download their apps on the Google Play Store or in iPhone App Store, this is what it's gonna look like. They will give you a script to record on your phone, and you will be recording your voice, which is reading them out loud, and that's how it makes things so simple. Remember, you can download this on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You can search on voices.com too. The logo should look like this, and you can download it for free. You can begin working on such jobs after showing you the client's agreements, and also some of the jobs upon picking them out. For example, this one. International car commercial. They're gonna show you what you're gonna get paid for if you read this audiobook out loud. See? There are so many job opportunities for you, even if you're coming from different parts of the world. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.